Good morning, beauty babes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a new day, and a new day means a new video. So y'all, in today's video I am going to try to do the wet look. I saw Courtney did it and I was like, you know what, I am going to try it. Yo, you guys should totally check her out. She is awesome. She does a lot of hair videos, so I'm going to have her link down below so you guys can check her out. So y'all, if you are new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. Enjoy the babes family, and let's get started, shall we? So y'all, this is my hair. My hair is kind of damp. It's not all wet and it's not all dry also. So y'all, to do this look, I am going to use the coconut milk curl care conditioner. And you're gonna need water. Going to need the Eco gel. But this gel, y'all, I kind of add water to it, so it's kind of like a wet gel now. It does not even feel like a thick gel like it's supposed to, which is okay with me, because this look better work. So y'all, I just separate my hair and I am going to wet it. So guys, you don't want it to be too wet, so I'm just going to add my conditioner. What the hell is happening? So I'm going to use the Eco Water Wet Gel. Look at that, it's so watery, y'all. Look. It's good. It's gonna do what I want it to do. So y'all, I'm just slicking it down. Okay y'all, so now I'm going to use my brush to just let it more. I'm adding more gel so I can get the curls out. Okay, it is laid back. The thing is, will it still have the wet look in about an hour? I don't really know. Okay, y'all, let's clean the side of my hair right now. It's been a long journey, but we can do it because we don't quit. We are not quitters. We are going to make my hair look wet and slick. Because that's what we do. We make things happen that are impossible to happen, but we're gonna do it. So we're gonna put it my hair like so. Gonna slick it down like your life depend on it, when it kind of was, but it really doesn't depend on it. It kind of does, because I don't want to do my hair again. I don't want to wash my hair again. Y'all see this slick, baby? Do y'all see this slick? Oh, I don't think y'all ready for me. I'm just gonna do my edges as I go along. I am super sick, y'all, but like, it's okay. So both sides for the products for the water thing. I'll be back in an hour and see how it looks, and yeah. So yeah, I am back, and I did put my hair in like a bun or something like that, so I'm gonna take it off and see if they are laid. So yeah, it's been like a few hours since I did my hair, and I don't know what to say. Like, I don't think it's the wet look. My hair feels so grungy, like, and so dry too. Okay, let me show y'all the back. So y'all, it's not as late as Jasmine's hair was or anything like that, but look, they're like lifting. I am going to wash my hair again, so I don't think this is for all hair type. Like, not all hair type can do the wet look. My hair literally cannot do the wet look, so but if you guys did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys want me to do next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.